Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're going over the Bronze Series seat covers. The Bronze Series seat covers are great for those customers out there that really want a custom fit seat cover that's going to stay on their seats, but they're not looking for all the extra bells and whistles that we offer with some of our other seat covers. And so it's a great functional cover. It's going to protect the seats. It's waterproof fabric, super durable. The ones I'm sitting on right now, this is the gray and black Cordura canvas style Bronze Series seat cover here, and just going to protect the seats and be a great functional cover. Now there's also camo in that same line, so you may want to check out the camo there. But again, it's a little bit lower cost seat cover, but a great cover, guaranteed custom fit on your seats. And if you have more questions on that, you can see more at coversandcamo.com. We're happy to go over recommendations with you. And again, see more at Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Thanks.